join the love divine, God's life and ours forever entwined. But no more than just here belongs to stand, to dwell within our hearts, Holy Spirit. I will not leave you comfortless, Christ said. I'll send my Spirit to guide your way. A voice behind this path is true. Walk in my love, I'll dwell in you. When Christ is ours, new life begins. His Spirit cleanses hearts from sin. Two hearts now join the love divine, God's life and ours forever entwined. Through gathered hearts, His love is shown. Together we cry, Father alone. I will not leave you comfortless, Christ said. I'll send my Spirit to guide your way. A voice behind this path is true. Walk in my love, I'll dwell in you. Oh, Spirit of truth, our faithful guide. With comfort sweet in you we abide. Your whispers lead when paths are unclear. Your love casts down our every fear. Christ's promise holds, His word is true. Forever, Lord, we rest in you. I will not leave you comfortless, Christ. I'll send my Spirit to guide your way. A voice behind